If you need to change the phone number associated with your Coinbase account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth update. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile icon or the settings gear icon. Step 3. Select phone number. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled phone number or security. Click on it to begin the process of updating your phone number. Step 4. Verify your identity. To proceed with changing your phone number, you may be required to verify your identity. This could involve entering a code sent to your current phone number or answering security questions. Step 5. Enter new phone number. After verification, input your new phone number. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy, then confirm the change. You may receive a verification code on your new number to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number should be successfully updated on your Coinbase account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.